Good evening. The province has lost its first legal battle with respect to its pronoun consent policy in schools.
Today, a Court of King's Bench judge granted an injunction against the policy that was brought forth by You Are Pride. Hallie Mandrick has more on the decision and what the province is planning to do now.
A judge has granted an injunction to the UR Centre for Sexuality and Gender Diversity, putting a pause on the province's controversial pronoun policy. The injunction will remain in place until the court rules on a legal challenge mounted by UR Pride. In a written decision, Justice Michael McGaugh says he does not accept the government is legally entitled to simply and completely insulate its actions until a final judicial determination and does not get a free pass at this stage of inquiry. He also said individuals affected by the policy will suffer irreparable harm and dismissed many of the Saskatchewan government's arguments against the injunction. However, Premier Scott Moe is not backing down, issuing a statement shortly after the decision was released, saying the government will use the notwithstanding clause to pass legislation on October 10th.
The school divisions are continuing their implementation plans, and we would ask them to continue to work on those implementation plans because very shortly we should have a piece of legislation passed in the legislature.
Education critic Matt Love says the government should scrap the policy altogether.
No one's interested in getting in the way of parents. This policy is not about that. This is clearly a political solution from a premier who's seeing his support dwindle.
The parental consent policy was introduced in August. It requires students under 16 years of age to seek parental consent before changing their pronouns or preferred first name in a school setting. The policy came under quick scrutiny by LGBTQS+ advocates who are concerned that the rules could put gender-diverse youth in danger. It has also been applauded by many who are in favor. If the notwithstanding clause is successfully enacted, it will be one of only 3 times this has happened in provincial history. Hallie Mandrick, CTV News, Regina.